If you have a car enthusiast in your life, you know they're impossible to shop for. Ditch the boring tie this year. I finally found the gift that will truly impress them, the SPTA Micro Cordless Polisher. Priced at $135. This isn't just a tool, it's an upgrade to their entire detailing routine. It's portable, rechargeable, and its micro size means they can achieve professional-grade results on those hard-to-reach spots, like door jambs and intricate rims. Watch their face light up when they realize they can perfect every swirl, mark, and scratch without being tethered to an outlet. Give the gift of flawless paint.